It is 10 degrees with a wind chill of minus 11 degrees, and the wind is blowing at 28 miles an hour. And this is the blizzard of 2011. And what were some of the other statistics, Sherry? It went from 11 o'clock last night on January the 31st. This is February the 1st, and it may continue snowing like this until what time, Sherry? 12 a.m. So that'd be a 24-hour snowstorm. And as you can see, it's really coming down. It is really coming down. It's been doing this now for 14, 15 hours already, and it's still coming down. And they don't expect it to quit anytime soon. So anyway,
this is set a record.
This is set a record snowfall for what?
February the 1st.
February the 1st, a record 2011.
It's 13.2 inches.
13.2 inches of snow, and it's still snowing.
Right.
And the little birds are having trouble, and the squirrels are having trouble finding food, and it's a mess.